Hit the reset button with this clean-eating vegetarian meal plan. Filled with healthy plant-based whole foods, you'll give your body the nutrients it needs and none of the stuff it doesn't. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. Clean eating vegetarian meal plan to lose weight, 1,200 calories. Packed with healthy whole foods, this vegetarian clean eating meal plan will give your body the nutrients it needs and none of the stuff it doesn't. We ditch added sugars, simple starches and unhealthy fats while pumping up the high-fiber fruits, vegetables and plant-based proteins like beans, edamame and lentils. The high-fiber, high-protein meals and snacks in this plan will help you feel fuller on fewer calories and will better balance your blood sugar to keep energy levels stable throughout the day, which is especially important if you're eating fewer calories to lose weight. Think it's hard to get enough protein on a vegetarian diet? Try these top vegetarian protein foods. A little meal prep at the beginning of the week makes the busy weekdays easier and ensures you'll have healthy and delicious meals at the ready. With this week of healthy eating already mapped out, pair this meal plan with daily exercise and you're on track to lose a healthy 1 to 2 pounds per week. If 1,200 calories is too low for you, see this same meal plan at 1,500 calories. How to meal prep your week of meals. 1. When making the roasted vegetable and black bean tacos for dinner on day 1, make the associated recipe for the sheet pan roasted root vegetables and save the leftovers to use later in the week for different meals. 2. Cook 5 hard-boiled eggs to have with breakfast on days 2 and 6 and as snacks throughout the week. 3. Make the sherry shallot vinaigrette to use throughout the week. 4. Assemble and freeze the slow cooker creamy lentil soup freezer pack to have on days 5 and 7. Day 1. Roasted vegetable and black bean tacos. Breakfast, 318 calories. Asterisk 1 serving strawberry banana green smoothie. AM. Snack, 103 calories. Asterisk 2 tablespoon. Unsalted almonds. Lunch, 343 calories. Asterisk 1 serving Greek salad with edamame. PM. Snack, 30 calories. Asterisk 1 plum. Dinner, 343 calories. Asterisk 1 serving roasted vegetable and black bean tacos. Evening snack, 78 calories. Asterisk 3/4 cup frosted grapes. Daily totals, 1,216 calories, 50 grams protein, 143 grams carbohydrate, 33 grams fiber, 57 grams fat, 967 milligrams sodium. Day 2. Pre-washed greens. Breakfast, 230 calories. Asterisk 1 serving egg salad avocado toast. AM. Snack, 32 calories. Asterisk half a cup raspberries. Lunch, 343 calories. Asterisk 1 serving Greek salad with edamame. PM. Snack, 78 calories. Asterisk 1 large hard-boiled egg seasoned with a pinch each salt and pepper. Dinner, 496 calories. Asterisk 2 servings kale salad with beets and wild rice. Asterisk 1 slice whole wheat toast topped with 1/4 avocado, mashed, and seasoned with a pinch each salt and pepper. Meal prep tip: reserve 2 servings of kale salad with beets and wild rice to have for lunch on day 3. Daily totals: 1,180 calories, 53 grams protein, 98 grams carbohydrate, 31 grams fiber, 70 grams fat, 1,986 milligrams sodium. Day 3. Roasted root veggies and greens over spiced lentils. Breakfast, 268 calories. 1 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt. 1/4 cup raspberries. 2 tablespoon unsalted almonds. AM. Snack, 101 calories. Asterisk 1 cup sliced cucumber. Asterisk 1 tablespoon. Sherry shallot vinaigrette. Toss cucumber together with vinaigrette to create a quick cucumber salad. Lunch, 345 calories. Asterisk 2 servings leftover kale salad with beets and wild rice. PM. Snack, 32 calories. Asterisk half a cup raspberries. Dinner, 370 calories. Asterisk 1 serving roasted root veggies and greens over spiced lentils. Daily totals, 1,183 calories, 60 grams protein, 113 grams carbohydrates, 30 grams fiber, 61 grams fat, 1,187 milligrams sodium. Day 4. Spaghetti squash with roasted tomatoes, beans, and almond pesto. Breakfast, 318 calories. Asterisk 1 serving strawberry banana green smoothie. AM. Snack, 78 calories. Asterisk 1 large hard-boiled egg, seasoned with a pinch each of salt and pepper. Lunch, 374 calories. Asterisk 1 serving green salad with pita bread and hummus. If desired, use the sherry shallot vinaigrette to dress the salad in place of the simple olive oil and balsamic dressing listed in the recipe. PM. Snack, 30 calories. Asterisk 1 plum. Dinner, 400 calories. Asterisk 1 serving spaghetti squash with roasted tomatoes, beans, and almond pesto. Meal prep tip: you should have 3/4 cup cannellini beans left over from dinner. Save them to use in dinner on day 7. Cook the slow cooker creamy lentil soup freezer pack overnight so it's ready to take for lunch on day 5 and save for lunch on day 7. Daily totals: 1,200 calories, 52 grams protein, 146 grams carbohydrate, 30 grams fiber, 53 grams fat, 1,592 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Tofu and vegetable scramble. Breakfast, 252 calories. 1 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt. 1/4 cup raspberries. 2 tablespoon unsalted almonds. AM. Snack, 30 calories. Asterisk 1 plum. Lunch, 320 calories. Asterisk 1 serving slow cooker creamy lentil soup. PM. Snack, 115 calories. 3/4 cup sliced carrots. 3 tablespoon hummus. Dinner, 419 calories. Asterisk 2 3/4 cup tofu and vegetable scramble. Evening snack, 78 calories. Asterisk 3/4 cup frosted grapes. Daily totals: 1,215 calories, 80 grams protein, 131 grams carbohydrate, 32 grams fiber, 47 grams fat, 1,530 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Squash and red lentil curry. Breakfast, 230 calories. Asterisk 1 serving egg salad avocado toast. AM. Snack, 103 calories. Asterisk 2 tablespoon almonds. Lunch, 374 calories. Asterisk 1 serving green salad with pita bread and hummus. If desired, use the sherry shallot vinaigrette to dress the salad in place of the simple olive oil and balsamic dressing listed in the recipe. PM. Snack, 78 calories. Asterisk 1 hard-boiled egg seasoned with a pinch each salt and pepper. Dinner, 430 calories. Asterisk 1 serving squash and red lentil curry. Asterisk 2 cups mixed greens tossed with 1 tablespoon sherry shallot vinaigrette. Daily totals: 1,214 calories, 50 grams protein, 124 grams carbohydrates, 33 grams fiber, 64 grams fat, 2,281 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Raw vegan zoodles with romesco. Breakfast, 318 calories. Asterisk 1 serving strawberry banana green smoothie. AM. Snack, 61 calories. Asterisk 2 plums. Lunch, 320 calories. Asterisk 1 serving leftover slow cooker creamy lentil soup. PM. Snack, 135 calories. Half a cup raspberries. 2 tablespoon. Almonds. Dinner, 361 calories. Asterisk 1 serving raw vegan zoodles with romesco. Asterisk 3/4 cup canned cannellini beans, rinsed. Microwave the beans until heated through, about 1 minute. Mix in with the zoodles and sauce. Asterisk 2 cups mixed greens tossed with 1 tablespoon. Sherry shallot vinaigrette. Daily totals: 1,195 calories, 60 grams protein, 157 grams carbohydrate, 42 grams fiber, 46 grams fat, 1,482 milligrams sodium. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.